Welcome to this peaceful walking tour through the charming town of Ascona, Switzerland. In this video, we begin our journey right in the heart of the old town, a place full of character, history, and secret spots. Step by step, we'll slowly make our way towards the lakeside promenade, where you'll discover the iconic cafes, elegant hotels, and the relaxing atmosphere that makes Ascona so special. Along the way, you'll stroll through picturesque streets, explore historic landmarks, and get a real feel for the unique Swiss charm of this stunning lakeside village. Take your time, breathe in the beauty, and enjoy the calm rhythm of this video. No background music, just the natural sounds of Ascona to make you feel like you're truly walking here in person. Make sure to watch the entire tour. The most beautiful views are still to come, and you won't want to miss them. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more high-quality walking tours from some of the most breathtaking places around the world. Now, let's begin our journey through Ascona. The vibrant colors you've just seen are one of Ascona's most iconic features. These charming facades, painted in soft pastels and warm tones, give the village its unique and inviting atmosphere. Together with the narrow cobbled streets and historic alleys, they create the authentic charm of a traditional Swiss-Italian town, timeless, peaceful, and full of character. Here, the charm of Ascona's past reveals itself in every corner. These old stone walls, wooden balconies, and arched passageways reflect a centuries-old architectural style, simple, rustic, and full of history. Walking through these narrow alleys feels like stepping back in time, where every detail tells a story. Now, we've arrived at Ascona's picturesque lakeside. Here, the stunning view of the mountains meets the calm waters, creating a truly breathtaking panorama. Along the promenade, you'll find charming cafes, cozy hotels, and the perfect spot to relax and soak in the beauty of the surroundings. We've now arrived at Ascona's town hall, with the beautiful Church of Ascona just beside it. The surrounding houses are a perfect example of the town's unique architectural style, full of character and charm. From here, we'll continue exploring the historic center and narrow alleys of the old village before heading back to the lakeside to enjoy the views once more. The cafes along Ascona's lakeside offer the perfect place to relax and enjoy a coffee with an incredible view. With their charming terraces overlooking the lake, these spots are perfect for savoring a peaceful moment while watching the boats and enjoying the vibrant atmosphere. It's a favorite place for both locals and visitors to unwind and soak in the beauty of the surroundings.
Zusammen. Zusammen.
Ascona's harbor is not just a beautiful sight, it's a lively hub, especially in the summer months. During peak season, the harbor fills with boats of all sizes, from luxury yachts to small sailboats, creating a vibrant and colorful scene. The promenade comes alive with tourists and locals alike, enjoying the bustling atmosphere while overlooking the sparkling waters of Lake Maggiore. There's nothing quite like a stroll along Ascona's lakeside at sunset. As the sun sets behind the mountains, the sky turns into a beautiful canvas of warm hues, oranges, pinks, and purples reflecting on the calm waters of Lake Maggiore. The peaceful atmosphere, with the soft light of the evening and the gentle sounds of the lake, makes this the perfect moment to relax and take in the breathtaking views. Thank you for joining us on this peaceful walk through the beautiful town of Ascona. We hope you enjoyed the sights, the atmosphere, and the charm of this lakeside gem. If you found this video relaxing or inspiring, feel free to leave a like and share it with others who love discovering new places. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more high-quality walking tours from some of the most beautiful destinations around the world. Until next time, take care and keep exploring.